Ready for Halloween? No, not Halloween. Bonfire night. We've got a firework.
Good.
Got some there.
Shush.
Got those two.
Don't touch it, Mason.
And where's the big one?
In the windowsill.
And that's 100 shot. That one, all of these Scarlet. That one's called Scarlet. That's called Boom. That's called Sonar. That's called Silver Rain. That's called Golden. What that says Galactic, and there's loads more. We've got like 119. I'm gonna go out and watch some.
But you need to be on your feet.
No, I'm watching them from. Can't see them from here. Gotta go up in my room.
You're gonna watch it from your room?
No, why are you waiting for you?
Oh, right, alright. Sorry.
Just waiting for my day. Right, Lauren, say hi.
No, I just want to watch the film.
Actually, show you somebody. Might not have met that much in my vlogs. Doo-doo. 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 Yeah. He's been limping, so that's why he's like laying on my mum and dad's bed. That's... Say hi. Say hi, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so maybe you will see you in a minute.